Is that 12 inches?
It is.
You mind if I measure it?
Holy shit, what the fuck is that, man?
I brought my measuring stick. That's 12 inches.
That's 12 inches.
Subway has a 12-inch foot long.
Huh? 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 Sir, are you lost in your sauce? Excuse me. Did you measure a sandwich from Subway with a 12-inch dildo? Excuse me? Excuse me? Look me in my... I don't even want to look in your face, bro. What's that? Excuse me? Excuse me? Tape measure. Ruler. No, you took... No, not even that. You bought a 12-inch... Yeah. Me say? Unpackaged the... Yeah. Me say? And put it near your Subway sandwich. Say, yeah. Subway got the 12-inch sandwiches. Hey, yo, boss, what are you doing? Resume, unpause, and resume again. And then I'm going to say, hey, yo, you're out of control. You need help. What are you doing with... First, let's get this out of hand. What are you doing with a 12-inch dildo, sir? You say, what is your plans? What is your plans? Godly, what in the world is you doing? I need answers. We all need answers. Tape measure, ruler. You went to the store and said, I don't need to go to Home Depot, a 99-cent store, hardware store, CVS, Dwayne Reed. Let me go to a sex shop and get me a 12-inch penis dildo and measure a 12. I don't trust Subway giving us 12-inch sandwiches. Let me get that hardware stuff and measure. I gotta get out of here. Sir, you are out of control. Me saying, I don't know who you are. I don't want to know. Because you out here buying dildos and measuring dildos with sandwiches. Unsanitary. I gotta get out of here. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, everybody. That man is out of goddamn control. It